Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $2.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.15, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 215 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key dynamic here that I'm curious about is this trend line here that has formed. So keep a close eye on that. And you know, right now that level's right around 225, give or take a couple pennies. Both the high volume break of that, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, would not be shocking at all to see the price. Oh wow, I didn't realize the price. Okay, yeah, price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. So yeah, there's definitely some room to run on this one. So we'll zoom back in here. But if the price can get a good high volume break of that level, next key level of resistance, not up until around 255, but also as you just saw, after 255, things begin to space out that much more. So in other words, if this volume surge that occurred today is the start of something bigger, then yeah, there's definitely a lot of upside potential here as far as the technical chart's concerned. So let's see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.